Changing network in Trust Wallet is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, install Trust Wallet app in your device from Play Store or App Store. I have already installed the app, so I will just open it. Enter your passcode, or create a passcode if you are using first time. These are tokens. If you want to add token, then scroll to the bottom and tap on Add Tokens. Then add a token which you want to add by tapping here. Enable this option and the token will be added in your wallet. Or you can also remove tokens by disabling this option. Now click on Browser and search pancakeswap.finance. This page will open. First connect wallet from here. Then tap Trust Wallet. Here you can see your main wallet. This is my main wallet. Tap on Connect. Now select a network from here. You can see my network, BNB Smart Chain. Now I will change it. First I will select Ethereum. You can see that network changed to Ethereum. You can select a network of your own choice. Now I am selecting Base and you can see network changed again. This is how you can change network in Trust Wallet.